Hello and welcome back to my channel. This video is part of a series here at International Yankee English, where we will talk about how to write well, Writing Wednesday. You will learn everything from what academic English is, to how to write a thesis statement, to how to edit and proofread. So be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And let's get into today's video. What is academic writing and how do you recognize it? Here are some examples of academic writing. These are not all of the examples of academic writing, but some. Academic writing makes use of a clear referencing system, neutral language, professional and/or academic vocabulary, and a clear style. Though it is important that your writing is original, you must use credible sources and do proper research before writing an academic piece of work. It is important that you have some reliability and validity in your writing. Therefore, you must use credible sources to support your original thoughts. Next week, we will look in more detail at the formatting and structuring of academic writing. And following that, we will look at how to use academic sources. Thank you for watching today's video as part of our Writing Wednesday series here at International Yankee English. I also post weekly videos every Saturday called Study Saturday. I have a Facebook support group. I run free conversation classes every month on Zoom, and I also am launching my official website as well as Patreon account where you can get different levels of English support, varying from minor extra worksheets and support exercises all the way through to full-on ebooks, online courses, discounts on private lessons, etc. So be sure to check that all out. If you haven't, I will have links below in the description box. And I hope to see you next time at either Study Saturday or Writing Wednesday. Bye!